Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 2.3 question number 8a. Provide the number in the box such that 2 by 3 into box is equal to 10 by 30. The simplest form of the number obtained in box is. Let us solve in this way. That question number A is given as 2 by 3 into, there is a box here, is equal to 10 by 30. 10 by 30. Here this is a fraction, right? Now you have to think which number should be here so that we get 10, right? Here it is 10 and here it is 30. 10. Therefore if we multiply 2 with 5, then we are getting 10. That is 5 to the 10, right? Here number is 30. That means by which number we should put here such that the number multiplied by these two number is 30. Or you can divide also. Divide 30 by 3. That is 3 1 ja 3. That is 0. 3 0 0. That is 3 10 ja 30. Right? That means if we multiply this 3 with 10, we are getting 30. Right? Therefore the answer here is 2 by 10. Right? This is question number 1. And in question number 2, what you find? The simplest form of the number obtained in box is. In box we have got the number 5 by 10. Therefore change it into lowest term. Lowest term is 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. Therefore the simplest form is 1 by 2. 1 by 2, right? The simplest form of the number obtained in box is 1 by 2. That is the answer. Now question number B. Question number B is, provide the number in the box such that 3 by 5 into box is equal to 24 by 75. That is 3 by 5 into, there is a box here, is equal to 24 by 75. Here, by which number 3 should be multiplied to get 24? Or you can simply divide 24 by 3. That is 3 8 ja 24. 3 8 ja 24. Therefore, this will be 8 because 3 into 8 is 24, right? And by which number 5 should be multiplied so that we get 75? That means divide 75 by 5. Divide 75 by 5. That is 5 1 ja 5. 7 minus 5, that is 2. That is 5. Or 5 5 ja 25. Right? That means if we multiply 5 with 15, then we are getting 75. Right? The simplest form, this is question number B1. The answer is 8 by 15. Right? The simplest form of the number obtained in box is, we have got the number 8 by 15. In box is 8 by 15. Here you see, the common factor between both the number is only 1, right? Therefore, we cannot change it in lowest term. This is itself a lowest term. That is, the answer will be 8 by 15 itself. Because there is no common factor between the two numbers except 1. Therefore, the answer is 8 by 15, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.